Welcome to the ALCI ISO. So that's one that has been rolling since 2022 November. And we keep updating, and I'm of course on CHADWM. There is somebody who asked a question about the ALCI Pure ISO. So I've built myself quickly a new one. So we have ALCI Pure. Pure means it's Arch basically with Calamares. That's it. And we will test if the ATT has trouble in this particular ISO. So the boot manager, we boot up. We have the ArchLinux setup with a nice red bleed, but we see the Spectre line there on every other desktop as well. And then we have, instead of Arch, we have something graphical. We have Calamares there, but a very, very simple one. And this is DWM. And this is just pass through. The most simple setup of Calamares is saying go install this. And what you see is not what you get. So this one is going to be removed. So basically you end up in a black screen. The point is still here to be very, very close to ArchLinux. No SADM, no LightDM, no XFC, no desktop whatsoever. So it's still up to you with this ALCI Pure ISO to do all the work. All the lifting has to be done by you. After that, we'll test if the ATT is working. That's why we're making this video. Plus, if it installs fine, I'll upload the ALCI Pure ISO that I've built today, which will of course include the current one. NeoFetch, I think it's installed, not voila, Pure ISO, right? So nope. LSB release, I guess we can do that one. That's always going to be there. And then we do all I think it is. That's what we got. Fine. And let's just wait for everything to install. Let's pause the video here. Since this is a very, very minimal ISO, or well setup, it is already here at 80%. You can always toggle the log if you want to see what's going on. So it's basically remove a lot of stuff, RS, plus everything is linked to it. So it's a cleanup. And now we're at the bootloader already. And done. Voila. So this is ALCI Pure. What are we greeted with? A nice black screen. We do have Xorg. My memory serves me, but that's it. So Xorg sudo, let's do a sudo pacman -sy. Let's do that. So it's only 2 lines there. And if we want to remove something from Xorg, there is no bash completion. Fine. I hate that when it's not there, but it is a pure ISO. Back in. If we want, it lets me back in. Voila. So sudo pacman -r Xorg something. Bash completion, my friend. No Xorg. Oops. So it's even cleaner than I thought. It does not have Xorg either. So all of that needs to come from somewhere. Now, I don't know all these applications anymore out of my head. But there is Xorg. Is the bash completion not working? No, it's not. Sudo pacman -s bash completion. So it's working all right. sudo pacman -s, and then okay, now it works. So remove, is Xorg installed or not? Yes, it was installed. Proto prop xset, not that much really. Not a lot. Anyway, I need SDM. Check. Something, wow, it's a lot of stuff for SDM. And then we need to have, let's do XFCE. Always simple. Always reliable for years. XFCE4 and XFCE4 goodies. Off you go. Install me all that. So I have something. Now, SDM has not been enabled, my mistake. So we'll do that. Actually, I can do that right now. TTI4 sudo systemctl enable SDM. Thank you very much. A link is there. Control F3. I'm back here. Reboot. Is this too soon? Don't think so. Let's see if Xorg is fully there. After doing all that. And it is. And we are here for ATT. So yay, not there. Paru, not there. It's just very, very, very bare. Yay, forget about it. Trizen, forget about it. Paru, forget about it. None of it is there. It's bare wash. That means I'm gonna get a very fast way of doing things. I'm gonna get Firefox. Oh, already a lot of packages there. 50 packages for one browser. A lot of dependencies, and then Internet, Firefox, and what you know, on the seed host of ArcoLinux there are packages. Oh, my mistake. I did not want to translate that thing. Accept all things. Okay. One level up. What I'm going to do, Eric, what are you going to do? I'm going to go to the ArcoLinux repo to hours, right? And then to the tweak tool, which is this one basically. Well, I'm going to take Paru if I wanted to. I can take lots of things. Paru is going to be here. Control find Paru. Paru, maybe you're a fan of yay. So you type in yay. One of those, 1, 2, 3, 3 yays, so choose. ZSTs. I wonder if I can do this. Sudo pacman -u star. Yeah, just that. And then it says ArcoLinux mirror list, I can't do that. ArcoLinux keyring, I can't do that. Celtic mirror list, I can't do that. So there are dependencies that are all in here. So didn't think that through is the best way to subscribe or describe better that. So we're gonna install Paru. Sudo pacman -s Paru -s, no, -u. Paru is going to be installed. Yay is going to be installed, and that will going to kick everything into yay ArchLinux into gear. Voila. Number 1, do install me this. ArchLinux tweak tools coming in. Enter. Cannot find the fake root binary. What's that? Error making, manual intervention required, fake root binary. So that means that we should add a dependency to the app. Control C, sudo pacman -s fake root. Is that a package? I don't remember it. Okay, fake root. Let's add fake root to it. ArchLinux tweak tool number 1, please. Thank you very much. Now fake root is probably only needed if you build it. So, enfin. Okay, done. ATT, launching it. And there was an error on his side, but as you can see, there's no error on my side. So that brings back to a problem on his side, not on my coding or anything like that. So I'll have to check his error code to figure that out. But here you have ALCI, you have a system. Let's maybe finish it till the end. ATT is on an ArchLinux system. It's pure. You saw the amount of packages I had to install with Firefox and all that. It really is not a lot. Maybe neofetch is not yet installed. So sudo pacman -s neofetch. I've been installing quite a few packages already. Just have a look at the number that I have now, which is 714 still, so not a lot. So it was 500 or something like that before I installed everything. The thing is, pacman, so the ArcoLinux keys and the mirrors, and we need those, otherwise we can't have the packages, and we need the mirrors and the keys for Endeavour or Reborn OS or Garuda or Chaotix. We need them all, right? So install the keys and mirrors is the button you need to press to be able to install more. Did I not press it? Oh, I did not press it. So we're going to install all that. Has been installed. We need to reload is not enough, I think. We need to restart. So everything gets red again, and pacman.conf is checked again, and it says, oh, look at that, we're everything. Don't use the tests, nothing on there, but best not to use it. And then you decide if you want to have more, just keep clicking. And then you update again to the pacman -s yiu, and of course, since the repo is there from ArcoLinux, it's gonna do all of it. So all the dependencies that ArchLinux tweak tool has. So he's updating the one from AOR, and the one that we have on our repo has all the dependencies. Celtic keyring, Celtic mirror list, Endeavour OS. It's just a few files, kilobytes, doesn't matter. But it's there. If you want to have the Celtic AOR, all the 100 Linux kernels from Celtic AOR, you can have it. It's just a slider and you have it. You can use it. Almost there. ATT. So if you have a look again, you'll see that the pacman here has the possibility to have this one, that one, or this one. Well, this one, or that one, or that one, or that one. Yep, okay. Control T. And if you do sudo pacman -s yiu, you've got all the lines. All these stores. Basically, these are app stores, right? Packages from all these guys. Keeping them on is not smart. What I say is always get in, get out. So activate, install whatever you want to have, and decide what repo do I stick to. The ones from Arch, or just from Arco. Decide what you want to have, and maybe a multilib here activated. Up to you, but think about it. It's not just let's add everything. Okay. All right, that's it. seems to work just fine, the ArchLinux tweak tool on my ALCI Pure. I'll put the ISO now online. Cheers.